Hello everyone, welcome to Allfasteners, and today we're talking to Ryan Cornell from Simpson Strong-Tie Australia. Ryan, welcome to the bench.
Thank you very much, thanks for having me.
And I believe we're talking about the Quik Drive system to help people who do repetitive tasks with screws in particular.
Absolutely.
So Ryan, let's have a closer look at the way these screws are applied as well. Now I see two very similar screws here, both with a square drive head, but a slightly different finish. So maybe you could just run through exactly what the difference is between these and how they're used.
Great. Two different ways of manufacturing. So these ones here are designed for inside work, even though they have a galvanized coating.
Right.
Any sort of sheet flooring directly into steel is going to do an amazing job of that application there. One of the things we need to work with when manufacturing these is to harden the screw so it's harder than the steel to drill through. That works brilliantly in an inside application, but there's no movement in the timber whatsoever. As soon as you go outside, raw timber is going to expand and shrink under pressure, seasonal change and whatnot. So that timber's going to move under pressure with the steel. There's nowhere for that to move whatsoever. So we actually construct this one out of 316 stainless steel. It's actually a little bit ductile. When I say ductile, it moves under pressure rather than shearing off or snapping. So you can guarantee this screw in an outside application into timber that's going to move over time will never fail on you. So this is our specification for exterior materials, as well as the fact being 316 stainless is impervious to corrosion resistance and attack of chemical as well. So this will cover all your outside applications for any material directly down to steel.
Beautiful. So when you're looking into the difference of these things here, it's very important that the application that you're using them for is appropriate to which screw you choose. So listen to guys like Ryan and take his advice.
Save you the time down the effort later. Yep.
And Ryan, I see two more options here for decking as well. Do you want to run me through these? Again, they look very similar, but I see a slightly different finish. Are we in the same sort of boat here as we were the previous two?
We are, yes. So these are two ways of making the screw. They're very identical as far as the construction, and both of these are designed to get quite a low impact head that's directly flush with the top board material. So it doesn't make a huge feature of the job. And we've got an option of either a galvanized, class 3 galvanized, or stainless steel. Class 3 galvanized is great and it saves a couple of dollars to be able to put the deck down, but we do only recommend it for 70 and 90 mil board.
Okay.
When we step to 140 mil board, we need to look at one of the two stainless options.
Okay, great. And I see here, there's actually a thread halfway down, and then a couple of wings, and then a bit more thread. What does that do?
Great, yeah, really key feature of this one. So because you've got quite a low impact head, to clean up the material as this drives through, those wings will actually stay connected, unlike the wings we saw here previously, and they'll actually pre-bore a hole through the top for that head to slot in nicely for. So really key little feature there that just makes the finished product really nice.
Beautiful. One little question I had about the choice of square drive head for your fasteners as well. Why square drive head?
Square drive works really well. It doesn't strip out, and the way the collated system works, having a square drive that slots into place under load there works really well for the collated system. We find, unlike the Phillips drives that can strip out, these ones here, without a pre-drill or countersink going into quite dense material, it'll actually hold together, not snap, not burr out, and bury you nicely. So it's very consistent for us.
Fantastic. So there you go. As you can see, it's there's a little bit of importance placed on the type of fastener that you use for these applications. But that's the only real trick you need to know, because the Quik Drive system makes everything else easier for you. If you need more information on this, it's at simpsonstrongtie.com.au or on the Allfasteners website, www.allfasteners.com.au/Quik Drive. You'll find what you need there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.